Welcome to day 2. I'm not ready to be really energetic and ambitious yet. What would you say I gave last night? About a solid 6 out of 10? 7 out of 10? 6.
Yeah, we have parts put on the car. So.
Yeah, that shouldn't take long. I mean, you explained it so well last night that, I mean, it looks like we already know what we're doing. We'll just have her do the rest. Yes. I just realized that we left that screw in there last night.
Yes. Look at my fender liner though.
Oh.
Look at it, just.
It's seen better days. So just drill there?
Yeah.
Is that what we said?
Sure.
They can do bigger. Pull it out.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Are we still having issues?
Hold on, hold that. Let's see. It's supposed to line up with the holes. Oh yeah, it's in there. That'll be fine. See, drilling's not that scary.
You're not the one drilling.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, holes.
Right there. Right there. Right there. We have an official way of measuring things.
Yeah. You need stop. That's not where it's supposed to be. It's a really big hole. Yeah, it's in the hole. That's good.
Nice crab walk you got going on there. You wouldn't happen to have a paint pen here, would you?
Paint pen? For what?
Because then we could put a little bit of paint on the ends of both of these, and that way it would mark right in here where they would
like
go.
a chalk or even a Sharpie could work.
Oh!
It's like nail polish.
Oh, oh, that's got a stink to it. Holy sh**.
It's not lining up.
Yeah?
Sure.
Yeah. Right there. Did it work?
It worked!
Alright!
To the other side. Okay.
Alright, we got a winner.
Okay, cool.
Can we make Chris do this part?
Sure.
There you go. Have fun.
Right.
That way, if you screw it up, not my fault. Oh, jeez. 2 years later. There you go.
2,000 years later.
Ah, I'm scared.
Put pressure on it. There you go.
And you're in. That'll work.
I did it.
Definitely not, but I mean, you can always take more off.
You want to be able to have it just be able to screw it in.
That one was 3/4. That'll work.
That'll do.
That'll do, donkey.
Pig. Oh, donkey.
Donkey. Some Shrek! You saw he just went for that one? He did not give any.
Well, after the first one, just get a little more confidence.
Okay, I'll take that one out and put it back in that one. Yeah, just screw it, unscrew it.
Well, my fingers hurt. It's cold outside.
Okay, that's the perfect sizing because you can screw it back in. Now pop that hole in that
Yeah.
hole.
That'll work.
Done. Yay.
I like how we're making it sound like it's all my fault.
It is all your fault.
How is it my fault? I wasn't even on that side.
Because I told you to wait, and then you lifted up the bumper and it skinned it.
Nope.
So our issue is, oh gosh. So the spring is so compressed that it won't attach itself.
We're taking the spring out.
So lift carefully. So the spring is so compressed that it's not doing anything. So we're gonna
Take the spring out.
try and take the spring out and see if it'll help. So
It's gonna help. It's gonna work. Yeah.
you're gonna keep the washer on, or you're gonna take the washer off too.
I'll take the washer off because that's only holding the spring in.
Okay, do it.
Literally just gonna be two knobs sitting there.
Now, whoever designed this, Branda's
Asshole.
tip it. Coming for you. Design flaw.
Or we just did it wrong. Either way, he's still an asshole.
You followed the instructions.
Oh, my teeth are hurt.
Wow.
Did you see that?
I heard it.
Oh, it
I thought a
slipped
bone
from my
broke.
hand. It had momentum.
I thought you
and
broke your.
everything.
I thought you broke your tooth.
I might have. Holy.
Want to hit this one?
Uh huh. That fucking hurt.
It's fine.
All right, springs are off. Suckers are driven right down to it. So hopefully, this is the last time we put the bumper on because it's not going any deeper than that.
That's what she said.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Yeah, there's still gonna be that itty bitty little bit of gappage, but even in the installation instructions, that's what it does.
Yeah, they messed it up too, so we're not the first ones.
Won't be the last, but it looks good. What do you think?
It looks like two buttons.
Looks better than the bands?
I mean,
Yes, absolutely.
I don't know. I kind of like the look of the bands.
I do not.
Oh.
We did it. We did it. Yeah! I see most. We did it.
There. Done. Done with this car.
Close it.
All right. Let's go take a nap and get ready for a little car show thing. Is it even a show or just
Some meat.
And then drink. I feel somewhat rested up. How you feeling?
Pretty good. I didn't even take a nap. You took a nap.
I had took multiple naps, dude. I'm still recovering from last night.
I'm still a little young.
Don't crash my car, okay? If you do, make sure I get a lot of insurance money out of it. Jamie, I'm driving. All right. Are you serious? I'm Batman. Harvey Dent. Can he be trusted?
Harvey Dent. Can he be trusted?
Well, he seems to be about the best that we've been. What was that? What are you sneaking away?
No.
Is this your little vanishing routine?
What?
Is this the part where I turn and then I turn back and all of a sudden you're gone?
No.
Everybody's impressed?
Harvey Dent. Can he be trusted?
Alright, 1 second. We gotta air up, otherwise you're not going anywhere.
for those of you that don't know, Jimmy spent about as much money as I did. Wait, he spent the amount of money he put in his engine alone is about the amount of money I put into my car altogether. So he's kind of balls deep into this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smidgen.
No going back now. I wonder if my car didn't start. Like, it's dead?
Dead.
Does it click? Oh, we can get that sucker going.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push it.
You're gonna push it?
Yeah, dude, let's do it.
I've never done this. Oh, I haven't done this in a very long time.
Let her rip. Dump it. Oh, my ear. I gotta fix my sock. Batman doesn't have time to fix his socks. This Batman can't afford new shoes. Spent too much on the Batmobile. Oh. Dude, I love your blow valve in this car.
Dude, it makes a bunch of fun noises and a bunch of really not so fun noises.
Yeah. Jimmy, what the hell's all done to this car?
It has a built motor.
And a decent clutch, thank God. And it doesn't go to red line.
Yep, it doesn't have the full tune on it yet.
One day.
And it's a shorter list if I just say what isn't done to the car. Can we just go that way?
What's not done to the car? Let's start there.
I have a stock transmission that's probably going to go out at any moment. That's not what's done to
serious?
the car.
So my driving probably isn't helping at all.
Ah, it.
Got a fan.
Send it.
He's gonna have way too much fun with that car.
You feel pretty good?
I think they enjoyed that.
Grab the cone!
That's not Nathan.
Yeah, I'm not Nathan.
You're much better looking than Nathan.
Me? No.
Oh yeah.
No.
For sure.
That's the wrong person.
Yeah, I freaked out. Don't worry, nobody gave a fuck. They were like, whoa.
Hasn't even been a half hour. Cops already showed up.
Bye, cop. I was like, oh, we're gonna keep that already.
So apparently, cops want to shut this down because
We're loud?
we're loud. And honestly, that's okay because it's pretty freaking cold out today.
I mean, if we're shut down early, it's not a big...
I don't think any of us are gonna be upset.
Nah.
Nah.
Let's go and well bed. Just gonna go up and get...
Turn your lights on. That's okay. The earlier I drink, the better.
We drink warm.
That's what Fireball's for.
Yes.
Cool. Fireball will warm us up.
Fireball, and then you put it in Angry Birds.
Oh, Angry Balls.
Angry Balls, yeah.
Yeah. All right, so it's been a fun weekend. The car show didn't last as long as Alex wanted it to.
That's okay, it's cold.
And I've had too much to drink, and I'm going to suck at this, so I'm going to give it out to Alex. Alex, there you go. Take it away.
All right, so we had the car show in Eau Claire. It went really, really well. And now we're down on Water Street having some fun with some of the volunteers. It's the last show of the season, so that means that we are done. We get to plan for 2019 and hopefully survive the very cold winter that's already hitting us in the beginning of October.
Yeah!
So that's everything that you have to know about this episode of Tires and Smoke coming to Eau Claire, Wisconsin.
Yes, I am Nathan from Tires and Smoke. This is Alex from Fitment Industries, Automotive, Millennial, and Custom Offsets.
Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you. Peace.